Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cabernet, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. This video will help you to clean the inside of a leather purse. I happen to have a Gucci bag that I just recently got for Valentine's Day, and it has some sticky type of candy in the inside lining of my bag. So here is a easy and quick, affordable way to clean inside of the bag. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I let it dry inside out and it looks good. So don't worry if you spill something or something sticky inside of your Gucci bag. Don't worry, it can be cleaned out. I think another way to prevent this from happening is to put maybe a Ziploc bag or a plastic at the bottom. Yeah, of course don't put candy in there intentionally, but my kids did and I didn't even know it. So as a little protective liner, I'm gonna put the plastic in the bottom. So I hope this video helped you. If it did in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.